Xfinity app not working. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. First of all, let's head over to our Play Store and search for Xfinity. If you see update instead of open, then tap on to update and update your app. Once done, head over to your settings, scroll below onto your apps, and here again search for Xfinity. And under app info page, you have to scroll below until you find the option of storage. Tap onto storage and clear the data. Before that, make sure that you know all your credentials, then tap on delete and see if this works for you. If it's still not working, then long tap onto your app, tap on uninstall and tap on OK. Then again reinstall this same application from your App Store or your Play Store and try again. That wraps up today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do like and subscribe.